All right, for number 10, we're asked to graph this function, y equals 4 tangent of 2 theta minus 3 pi over 4. So for this one, let's start with the period. The period is going to be pi. The normal period for a tangent is pi. So pi divided by b, which is 2. So the period is going to be pi over 2. And the phase shift is going to be negative c. So c is negative 3 pi over 4. Negative c would be positive 3 pi over 4. Divided by b, which is 2. So 3 pi over 4 divided by 2 is going to be 3 pi over 8. So our phase shift is 3 pi over 8. We don't have a vertical shift, and there's no such thing as an amplitude for tangent. What this 4 does is it's going to make our curves skinnier because they're going to be stretched vertically. But we don't talk about that as being an amplitude because tangent goes off to infinity in both directions. So all right. So tangent starts on the midline. We always at the phase shift, it's going to be crossing the midline, which is going to be right at y equals 0. So at this phase shift, we're at 3 pi over 8, which is halfway between pi over 4 and pi over 2. So our first point is going to be right there. And then to find the asymptotes for this, remember we cross the midline halfway between two asymptotes. And the asymptotes happen every period. And so to find the asymptotes, we got to go half a period on one side and half a period on the other side. So half a period would be pi over 4. That's going to put us about right here on the one side and about right here on the other side. So that's where our asymptotes are going to be. And then we'll cross the midline every pi over 2 after that. So we'll be right there as well. So, and this 4 is going to stretch it. So this is going to be skinnier than normal. So we're going to look something like that. And then again, like that for this one. So this one, since it was a multiple choice, we need to look for which one has a period of pi over 2 and has a phase shift of 3 pi over 8. And that is going to be C.